comprehensive guide to Zen garden ideas for your home. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you like the ideas, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Zen gardening lies and simplify. Start by clearing the area of culture and keeping the design clear. Use natural materials such as gravel, sand and rocks to create climbing backdrop. Every Zen garden needs a focal point to draw the eye and inspire comprehension. This could be a careful placed rock, a bonsai tree, or a sculpture's elements like a bamboo fountain. Select a focal point that harmonious with the overall theme of your garden. If you are new here, kindly like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Racking patterns in the sand is a meditative practice in Zen garden, representing a point flow waves or a ripple effect of water. Experiment with different rack patterns such as a circle, straight lines, and triangle of garden. I hope these Zen garden ideas inspire you to create triangular orchids in your own backyard balcony. So, like the video, click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.